Okay. So Ali, so now I think it's okay. I can see the microphone here. Actually, I don't see desktop audio. Let's enable my. Okay. Rodrigo and can can you talk something just to confirm the audio from desktop is coming?
Yes,
Yes. Yeah, I
everything
hear you.
works fine.
Oh,
Thanks, Ali.
no, thank you very
And
much.
can you guys hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So just one more second.
Alison and also Rodrigo and George, uh, please take care to not open YouTube in uh, in the external device with an external speaker, because otherwise it will loop again.
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay. No problem.
I
If you can, for
I
example,
checked this,
yeah,
and your voice is too good.
okay,
I think you
great,
can start.
thank you, thank you for confirming, Ali. Sorry, Alison, and
Uh, o- okay, I think I'm ready to show my screen, and you can guide me to push the changes on the GitHub.
mm-hmm.
Let me do that. Okay, so share screen.
Just a second, I will
Maybe
open it here.
okay. Maybe I can share my entire screen. That's okay. Yes. So here I last week I did I added the changes in a commit. The changes is here. So maybe I just need to adjust the commit message. And I just yeah. So just add this commit in the.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Let me check one thing
Rodrigo,
here.
just a second. I think we can
Okay.
see two screens. Maybe you can,
Okay.
yeah, minimize one and
Okay.
yeah,
So how
expand.
about that?
Yeah, I
Okay.
think for me in my computer is okay. I don't know if it's okay also in the YouTube, but I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah.
So let's start from scratch. Um, did you before, even before we create the commits and send it to NuttX Mainline, we need uh, to we need to set up our development environment to contributing. So, for example, uh, we need first to set up the the username that you use, also your domain and so on. Let me open here. I will send you in the in the GTS chat, and
Okay.
so right, it's the
Let me check here.
yeah. This is the configuration. So you need to set up your username, your email, and after that, uh,
Okay. So git config
git config
and global
global
user dot name.
user.name and your name.
Okay. Fo
Perfect.
something wrong here. Just a second.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's just right. And my email, right? So
Yeah. Move up
which
and just change. Okay, you can type again. Dash dash global.
global user dot name. So
Dot
I use
email.
my
Sorry, email.
yeah, my fault. Sorry.
No problem.
And
Email.
I can use my regular email.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I think that it's in fact just the name was wrongly configured because you can see here in my commit the email was just Rodrigo.
Yeah.
Now maybe it's sure, let me check the git log. Yeah, maybe I need to change the okay, how to change this? Let me check. Maybe Amanda will help us on this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. So before you submit. Yeah.
In fact, it didn't change. Do you guys anyone know how to change the author name in the commit message after I read?
You can change using the amend dash dash amend
Okay.
dash dash author, and you can
Okay, author.
equal
Okay. Okay.
your your email. So you put using
The image is right. The
yeah,
image is right. Just the name.
yeah, just use email name and email like
Okay.
in the Gmail, like in Google.
Okay.
Uh, yes, using
So
quotes and the less than and greater than signal to separate user and email.
okay, just move this.
Yeah, it
Okay.
was blocking the screen.
Yeah.
You can put the dash in the email near.
Oh,
Yeah, just remove the space, this space. Okay. The other is okay. You can keep the other.
yeah. So that's right.
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay. Didn't match any files.
There is no equal.
Oh,
Auto
okay.
and email. Sorry,
Yeah.
I missed that.
Okay. No problem. Okay. So just write the file and now
Try logging in.
Perfect. Yeah.
Exactly. But as you create this commit, we need to change the message and the name of the
Sure.
commit. Also, there is another detail that you missed, or that, let's say, we missed from the previous from the previous presentation, from the previous live. That was the documentation. Alison, recently we submit onboard support to NuttX Mainline. So can you help to say how we did it, how you create the documentation? I think there is some delay because he also listened from YouTube, I suppose.
Yeah, that's okay. So let's fix the commit message first, right? And then you can go to documentation. That's okay?
Yeah.
So what's the standard did you guys use?
Yeah. Normally the the message of the commit need to imply what is this commit in the first place. So you start define each board. So you put boards dash
dash
boards dash
okay
dash sorry, not slash. I said it incorrectly.
so backslash or slash?
Backslash, yeah.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, so boards backslash.
Yeah. No, sorry. It's normal slash like in the URL.
Okay, that's okay. So boards slash okay. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to look to the GitHub to see an example.
Yeah, you use boards slash
Okay.
STM32.
Okay. So
Go back
let's
to
go back
yeah.
here. Yeah, STM32.
Semicolon or two dots.
Okay.
Yeah, and the next is the space the message add support.
Okay. Did you need no space, right?
You can use space now.
Okay. So let me raise this. So
Space.
add support
To the name of the board, like it's STM32F, yeah,
F401RC,
yeah,
RS485.
board.
Did I miss any?
Hmm?
Okay. Did I miss anything in the name of the board? I didn't
No,
remember from last week.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay.
Now you can press enter and type a long message.
Okay.
Explain a little bit what is this board. The STM32F401RC RS485 is a board.
Does it have a kit, right?
No. This board was created by Lucas to an event. So it's a board with RS485 support, and let's see, we more SD card.
You have here user buttons.
User buttons. Just user button, just buttons is okay.
Buttons. I think I need to break the line, right? So the
LEDs.
Temperature. Okay. LEDs.
Yeah, chamber LEDs. Temperature sensor.
If I did any type, just let me know.
No,
so
okay.
is the LM4? I forgot the. Did I need to indicate the sensor here or just temperature sensor? Okay.
Temperature sensor is an off.
Okay. I think there's some DACs, right?
Yeah. ADC. DAC output, okay. But we don't need to put all the details.
Okay.
Just ADC and etc.
Okay, that's okay.
Just remove the space before after sensors. Yep.
Yeah. Sure. ADC and it's okay.
Perfect. And the last the last line is
Okay.
signet of dash off dash by signet with uppercase S.
Okay. So
Signet dash dash, not slash.
yeah, sorry.
This time it was dash. Dash
Yeah.
off
Oh,
12 12
okay.
off by. Now I am is double F or a single one. I think is 2, but let me double check.
Okay.
Actually, there is there is actually there is a Git option also to do that, but let's see. Yeah, that's correct. Signet off by with 2 F semicolon, 2 points.
Okay.
Your email, name and email, like space, your name and email.
A little space here.
Yeah,
And
and
then
it doesn't need quotes this time.
okay.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
perfect.
Okay. So anything else?
It is okay for now.
Okay. So let me save this and see how it looks like. Okay. Add support. I think there's no typo here. Support with. Okay, yeah, I think it's okay.
Yeah.
So this signed off by you'll be removed or you'll be okay. So it's part here. I
Yeah,
see. Okay.
it stay in the commit. Actually, it is used to know who is the author, the real author. Although there is already author there, but it's like a legal, because
Yeah,
sometimes you can be the author, the guy that are submitting the path, but you didn't create the path.
I see. Yeah,
You
that makes sense.
you create the path, but you submit the path, but you are um, not the not the original author. And
Yeah,
sorry, I was saying it incorrectly as well. It's not same column. When it's double point, it's column. So
that's okay.
yeah,
So I understood. So I think it both are
yeah,
in the sync this one.
okay. Uh,
Okay.
so now we need to create the documentation.
Okay.
If you, for example, if you go in the NuttX.apache.org and we go to supported platform and see, for example, ARM and some board, you see there's some documentation about the board, about sometimes you have uh, the picture of the board. So let me share it here.
Okay.
I'll
Alan,
Share here as well.
yes.
could you change your microphone because your output comes with some noise. So in this live,
It's my microphone, sorry, or
No,
it's
it's
Alan.
mine.
Okay.
It's with too noise in the background. You mean?
yes,
Oh,
and I don't know if we come to Rodrigo or yours, or it is
So
your microphone.
so let me mute myself and you can check which
mm-hmm.
one is.
reduce the gain here, okay? So maybe it's a little bit better now, Alison. Can you confirm?
1 minute, I will check. Okay,
It's
much
better now?
better. Yes,
Yeah,
thanks, Alan.
thank you very much. It was because my gain was too high.
Yes, I imagine.
Yeah,
Thanks, Alan.
thank you very much. Yeah,
No problem.
yeah, supported ARM. Go to yeah the sidebar ARM. For example, STM32F4 actually is not yeah supported boards.
Sorry, I got lost. So support
Just
platforms. I think I'm in the wrong place, right?
no,
So
you
it should be
was right. Just move down. There is a supported
okay.
board. Yeah, move up a little bit. Yeah, supported board. See, you are near
Ah, okay.
to.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry. Now I see. So here,
Now, if you
let's get.
see some boards, you see the documentation and pictures. For example, yeah, this
Okay.
one doesn't have pictures, but many have some pictures. Some, for example, let's see the IMX. Let's move out of
Uh,
STM32 for a minute.
okay. So
Yeah, IMX architect.
IMXRT. Okay.
Yeah, this one I supported boards.
Yeah.
Let's see EVK. No, normally the picture show early. Let's see other. Maybe we find one. Yeah,
Oh, here,
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Uh,
Actually, all the documentation need to be need to be supported in the same way. So all the documentation should follow this standard with pictures and so on.
so,
Features.
so yeah. So, Alan, maybe for today you can show me where to change that, and I can change it during the week. In the next session, I can show you because if you start to do all of this, maybe it will take some time. What do you think?
Hmm. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. And so
So,
in when you open the PR, you said I will open the documentation for the board in a
okay,
separated uh, path.
okay, perfect.
Okay, so
And
how we do that?
uh,
How we
let me open
yeah
the screen again here so you can
yeah you
see
can
my.
close this yeah you can close or move it.
Okay,
So all the documentation is inside in the root directory
okay,
inside the documentation with uppercase D
okay.
documentation.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So here I have some.
exactly. Inside documentation, we have platforms.
Okay,
Yeah, and there we have ARM because STM32 is an ARM microcontroller. And then
so
we go to
F4, right?
for
Okay. So just my curiosity. So you have here the.
yeah. This one is the generic.
Okay, sorry.
No, no.
So
And inside boards, you can put the supported boards.
okay, so basically I create a new folder here, naming my board,
Yeah,
the our board, right? So the
exactly that.
And let's see what you have inside. For
Discover, for example, dash discover, STM4,
okay,
not dash, sorry, is this put together, it's a single word. F4
okay,
discover
discover.
without the dash.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and that is the
And
documentation about the discover board.
so let's review that little quick. And you have like so what is here exactly what is in the page there in the
Exactly.
documentation, right?
Yeah, it's like a markdown, but it is called restructure test. Is
Okay.
another way to create similar like markdown, create documentation or H HTML
Okay.
documentation.
So just for my curiosity, how to put
Mm-hmm.
a picture in the, I think it was the IMX
The second one,
and
right?
the second or the third, I'm not sure. Let
Yeah,
me
I
see.
think that is that. Yeah.
Okay, so more.
Mm, no, I think it's not that because normally when it has a image file, it should appear in the same directory.
Okay. Also,
Don't use more. Just yeah, find some PNG or
okay. Or
JPEG, JPG,
okay, so it's uh, MX 60.
1060, EVK.
Uh, so do you want to open the file here, like if
Yeah,
nano?
or you can use
Better.
VI or Nano. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Just
So
a figure. See the
yeah, I see
figure,
here.
the name of the
Align.
figure, align. Uh, if the figure is too big, you can decrease a little bit the size.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
And okay, so one
So
more
yeah,
question.
I think that's okay. Uh,
Hmm.
so we we can do this way like you suggested. We start with the
Uh, I have just one question. You have some index here in a lot of folders. So in the ARM folder have an index, and if I go to some, I have another index. So do I need to add like a pointer in the index for my board, or like to be shown in the, or
good
not?
points. I think maybe not this, but inside boards. I'm not sure. But open this one.
Okay.
Maybe it should be in this one.
Okay.
Good point.
So, oh, it seems like a little generic one.
Yeah, but there is I think there is a file that include the the other ones.
Okay, maybe it's in the boards. Oh no, in the boards I don't have. Or maybe it's auto-generated by the build process, right? Need to check.
Yeah, good question. But I think you can use the git grep, for example, the board name, and if it's included in some other place, you will find it.
Okay, so let's try this with the Okay, so which you mean git grep, right? Git grep STM32. Let's try if the discovery. Sorry for discovery. That's right?
Yeah, the name is right. You missed the S. Discover.
Oh, sorry, my fault. Yeah. So it's in the okay. So yeah, so no, it's just in the seems like it's just in the
Yeah,
the
the board
the,
itself.
the yeah,
Yeah, but you
that's okay.
try to move to
Yeah,
the root
one.
of documentation. Yeah, and try again.
Oh, now I have more here. So we have some release notes that will be auto-generated, right?
No, release note was wrote by hand many times ago.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah,
But
actually,
do I need? But I don't need to push anything for these release notes, right? For
no,
now.
you
Yeah.
don't
Okay.
need. So we we already created the commit, right?
Yeah.
And now
Sorry.
now you can
I can push to GitHub.
yeah you can push to your
Okay.
GitHub, and from there, uh, for
There
example,
is there is
are you in a branch or you
yeah.
didn't?
I named the branch if this name
Perfect.
here. Do you have a convention for a branch name?
No, it's the
Uh,
branch is up to you. You can use
okay.
any name you want.
Okay. So sorry for that. My
No problem.
it's not it's
Normal,
not configured.
yeah. Normally I
Yeah.
use push git push dash
Okay.
u
Dash U.
um, origin, and yeah, I think that I
So what's dash U? Just for my learning.
it will create uh, it will update your new generated branch to inside your repository.
Okay.
So when you do that,
Can
it will create a new directory there. If you just do that without the U, normally it will fail. But yeah, try to
okay. So
try to submit, and it will ask your username and password probably.
okay, because it's in because I used the if I put my username and password, you
No, it will not show up for us. Don't take care of
okay.
that.
So that so is the email right?
Yeah, or the name that you used in the in the GitHub. For example, for me, it's just my name without the email. But I think with email it works as well.
Okay.
We'll see. Yeah, yeah. Try
So
without the email, using the only the username that you created there.
let me remember my username here. To be honest, I'm not sure if he. account. Okay. Okay. Let's try again.
Right.
Usually I didn't, I use the SSH keys to authenticate in any GitHub, so I didn't need to type the password, but that's okay. This one I cloned it using HTTP,
Yeah,
so
probably
that's
it will
that's why they are
require.
asking.
Yeah,
So
perfect or not.
no. So
Yes,
let's do
yes.
let's
There is a
git
detail. You need to
add.
go in the GitHub. There is they call it application password. Let me find mine here just to.
Can I add the SSH remote here and then push use my keys, or do you prefer to choose
I
this?
think it's better you just use your long long password. Normally, this password is
Okay,
very big and it start with for mine, for example, start with GitHub underscore PAT underscore something like that.
okay.
In the past,
So
it was starting with G8P underscore something else.
is that passkeys? So passwordless sign in with passkeys, is that, or I'm looking to the GitHub trying to find where to configure that.
Uh, Let me find here in my GitHub.
Okay,
I think you need just go to your GitHub in your account where you see your in the top right corner where you see your
okay,
picture or your
yeah,
user profile
okay, okay,
and go to settings
okay.
and let's see there is something related to security or
Support for password authentication was removed. Please see.
yeah no normally it requires it requires different password. Normally this
Okay,
yeah I think it should be in let's see if it's integration application.
so in the password in authentication, there is a thing called passkeys.
Yes.
Pass,
I
is that one or
yeah, if it starts, if it's a big password and if it starts with GitHub underscore PAT or underscore some small letter and then big like base 64 codes. You see that? It's very big.
no? In fact, so
Did you find it?
the problem is, in fact, I didn't have this. So let me
Yeah,
quickly
you
show
need
my
to
screen here.
yeah you need to configure it. I suppose.
So is that thing here
Uh,
passkeys? So
You are
Because
in security.
when I try to yeah when I try to add, they said your device supports passkeys, a password replacement that validates your identity using touch, facial recognition, and a device
No,
password
no,
or a PIN.
it's not that.
I think it's not.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Okay. So that is in the password security. I think it's
Yeah,
there's the two-factor authentication and only that. So here I have my keys. I will not show.
I think it's in the bottom
Uh,
in the applications integration.
okay.
Yeah,
So I will just move here
yeah.
to avoid any problem. Applications. Okay. Install GitHub. Oh, okay. So in the application, I have three tabs: installed GitHub apps, authorized GitHub apps, and authorized OAuth apps. I have these three.
Yeah, I think it's in the middle, but I'm not sure because it is sometimes you do only one time and you never care about it again. Maybe
do, do,
maybe
do you think I
you can do other way. I think
okay.
I read face some similar issue using HTTPS and then moving to Git. Let's find here in my blog. Um,
I think just need to add some remote here.
yeah,
So,
but
oops.
there's some details.
Oh, sorry. My key already. Okay. I can change that. Let me do that. Give me few
Yeah,
minutes
you
here.
normally you just use git remote set URL and you put the this I'll send it. I'll send the comment in the command in the
Yeah. Just I'll stop to share my screen just for a minute,
okay.
and I'll go. I'll come back because okay.
Right. You need some privacy to set up things. Yeah. But
Yeah, because I'm not sure if you saw that, but my keys uh, leaked in the. So I need to remove my key and create a new one.
okay.
Sorry for that.
Yeah,
Sorry
but
for that.
you can use this command git remote set URL origin and your in the NuttX GitHub.
Okay. So let me do this as fast as possible. Okay. Minute. So just a minute, guys. Okay. Okay. I'll share my screen again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the entire screen. Let me know when you guys are able to see my screen.
Yeah, now I can see it.
Okay, so let me paste the command you sent here. Oh,
Oh,
no,
you
that's
divide
okay.
yeah, you need to create it as a single command.
That's okay. So let me type this. It'll be fast then. GitHub. Let me know if I'm doing any typo. So orange GitHub column
Column
Apache
slash NuttX.git.
NuttX.git. Is that right?
Yes.
Git remote. Okay. So git remote. I'll see. Oh, remote. Type fast. Okay. Seems to be working. So now let me try to push again. Okay. Let's see if my keys is okay. Is okay. Could not read from remote repository.
Yeah.
Access denied.
Uh,
Yeah.
maybe because it is incorrect. You need to use not Apache.NuttX, but your Git. So RC sim instead Apache and NuttX.git.
You mean?
Just
Sorry, didn't get.
replace Apache with your Git username.
Oh, sure. Yeah, because I'm not Apache. I'm a SSC, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
perfect.
Let push. Okay. Let me do something here. I have another repository here. I think it's here. It's Apache here in my another repository.
Yeah, because you cloned it from Apache, not from
Yeah.
your username, your your account. Actually, let's do it. Um,
So here, yeah. So
you can do.
now it's yes. Please,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Be, actually, if you go to contributing and go to Git workflow, there is all the step we should have do to create it. So, for example, uh, we need to create an upstream.
Okay, so let me go there. Contributing and development workflow. Okay, I'm here.
Yeah, and
So
then
development
go
workflow.
to make change using Git. Your screen is not in the your browser is not in the screen. Move it to
Okay, sure.
yeah.
Yeah. So sorry,
We
it's not.
cannot see it yet. We need to move your browser
Yeah.
to the Git screen.
Okay. Is that okay now?
It's, I still seeing only the terminal.
Oh, strange. Because I'm sharing the entire. Let me.
Maybe you need to minimize the terminal. Not sure.
Uh,
Now
okay.
is
Uh,
your screen, your camera.
okay. Now should see that.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm. Now
Okay.
go to making change using Git.
Okay.
And the first Git
We did that, right, in the beginning
yeah.
of the
Now
session.
go to submitting your change to NuttX.
Uh, okay, here,
Yeah.
my branch.
Yeah. Actually, I think we still missing one step. Go to Git workflow with the upstream repository. That that's the
Okay,
step that will need to be done. Git checkout master.
okay. There's a problem here. Let me see. Okay, my commit is here. I need to force my commit to be
Uh,
just a sec.
yeah,
I need,
actually to avoid losing your commit. Normally, what I do is I save the commit as a patch, as a GIF file on patch, and
okay,
then I have it physically saved and separated. You,
okay.
uh,
So let's do that. So git show dot, and I put that in my home.
no, you
The
can
name.
no, you can use
Yeah,
the format patch command. It's easier than yeah.
okay.
Git
So git
format
format
dash patch
dispatch
is dash one minus one.
dash one.
No,
Is that one?
space minus one.
Space.
Minus one.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
And now I can pass my path, right?
No, don't need. It will save it in the in
Then not space because I'm passing minus one. Is that right?
yeah the last commit that you
Okay.
save it. Minimize. Yeah, I was saying to move the other screen a little bit to
Yeah.
sides just to have more
Yeah.
space
Sure.
to see or yeah
Okay.
perfect you can move it
So
just
where's the
move
file? Okay.
yeah just move this file
Okay.
to other place to your home
Okay.
to any other place
Okay.
yeah
So let's put my home.
mm-hmm. That's
Let's
perfect
check if it's there. Okay.
yeah
So here. Oh, sorry. So git log. So the problem here is, so the commit in this branch it seems to be safe, but unfortunately I did something wrong in the master, so I need to reset my master. Git checkout master, because the master has the commit I did in last week, and I need to reset that.
oh yeah you can use git reset dash dash hard and this previous commit
Git set dash hard and passing this Marco Casaroli commit.
exactly
I hate to do that, but okay.
that's fine
Now,
yeah now we can
okay,
try
and now the git checkout master, right?
yeah
Okay, already up to date. Let me
uh,
see here the
I will
I
send how I do how I normally I clone in the GitHub and then I I add it as an external yeah but let follow the yeah I think it in the documentation is not explain how you can use your GitHub account, right?
I don't think so. So you have these sections here, and it seems not to mention the GitHub.
Go to app to develop workflow. Just let to have an
Okay.
overview. Oh yeah,
Okay.
see, just in the I think it was in the I remember I saw how to add your GitHub account, but it's strange, it's not that. Go to Nest. I think the Nest is already the making change. But
Okay.
see, clone your fork. Yeah, that's the point. We started with the mainline instead of starting with your clone, with your repository. So,
Okay.
what we can do now, you can just remove the NuttX and the apps, and you clone it. Actually, the apps we don't need to do now because we are not modifying the apps, but let's do it. You already has the clone, the copy of of of
My work, right?
your
Our
work.
work.
Yes, and so
So I can just remove the NuttX here,
yeah,
and you are going to clone again, right?
yeah, clone from your repository.
So
Yeah, it's sad,
I
but
I can
let's do that.
I,
I
I
think
can't
it
do
will
that.
work. Let's see.
Okay, so yeah, let's do that. Okay, and now I need to follow the steps for cloning repositories here.
Yeah, for just below that, there is a git
Okay,
clone your fork in the GitHub. You can use HTTPS, no problem. But yeah, if
but now
you prefer avoid, you can use the Git as well. Yeah, maybe it's better to avoid, right? Because you already face issues.
so yeah, but so do I need to clone the project before I do that? Because
Yeah,
they are saying you are forked the NuttX project
yeah.
clone URL.
You don't have a fork yet in the GitHub.
No,
Yeah,
no.
open
So
it there. You can do now. Uh,
okay,
maximize your browser. I think there is no
okay,
secret, so you can do that
okay,
openly. So it will be easy
okay.
for other people
NuttX
to
GitHub. Okay,
to see that.
so it's here. I'm already signed in, and
Yeah,
I need to
I just saw
fork
here
here.
Neuber Souza said the sound is too loud, too low. Alison, is the sound okay? Can you send some message in the WhatsApp, something to confirm? Okay, so we you can fork the project. Yeah, clicking fork.
Okay, okay. Branch master only. Okay.
Yeah, just clicking fork. Perfect.
So every time anyone need to contribute, they need to fork the project.
Yes, because this is the way as GitHub work. Not only for NuttX,
Okay,
for any project, any open source project that you are going to contribute, you need to create a fork. Because when you create a fork, you can do the pull request to the project in the easy way.
Okay. So
Yeah.
let's go back here. So now I have my URL here, right? So I need to git clone, passing my URL and using the name NuttX as well. So that's right.
Yeah, that's right. Neuber, Alison just confirmed that the sound is okay for him. So I don't know, maybe something in your audio. But okay, so let go back. Let to clone.
Now the keys is working, so didn't need to authenticate.
Yeah,
That's good.
that's good. And
uh,
now let's move.
let
Yeah,
add the.
you need to enter inside NuttX first.
Oh yeah, sure. Okay. Which mode? How is it? I have the upstream at the origin. Okay.
Yes, yes, that's perfect now.
No
And
need to NuttX apps. There's no need.
yeah, now you can create your branch. Just create
Okay.
that same branch that you used before.
Sorry.
Yes.
STM32F401RC.
Yeah, it's funny because I cannot see you the underscore here, so it seems like you are using space, but yeah, you
Maybe I can. Maybe I can change the. Let's see here. If the font size is
I think
too
just
small, maybe.
control plus you do that if I'm not wrong.
Okay,
Alison
let me
did this
try.
the last time.
Oh, it's not working here. Not sure if my.
Mm,
Oh.
strange.
This is the full terminal for Ubuntu, so not sure. Let me try this way. No.
Yeah, it's strange. Alison said in the smartphone is okay, but when he listen in the computer, the sound is low. Very strange. So let's see if I can increase
Uh,
the audio in the OBS. Maybe it's something. Okay. Let's see now. Okay. I put the audio in the
ju
maximum. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
just a second here. Preference. Oh, there's a.
What?
No, just want to be. Oops. Is that better?
Yeah. It's better now.
Okay, so I lost my command. I'll start again.
Sorry.
So no problem, no problem.
Just
So I
the git checkout
check
dash
out
b and the name of the
yeah,
yeah.
working as
Also,
are able to.
yeah, just a generic name. Also,
Okay.
I think the issue now could be my microphone because if I increase the volume, you start to see the background noise because I think it's the monitor. I don't know what's he's doing some noise, so it starts to capturing the background noise. So it's better to keep this way. Okay. Yeah. No. Maybe maybe now for Rodrigo it will be better because for him I see in the OBS studio that the sound is very loud.
That's okay for me. For me, I can decrease my volume here if needed, but that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
So just apply the patch, right?
Yeah.
Again.
You can apply or Git AM also do the same.
Let me learn new things to do in Git. So
Git
usually
just
I did
AM. AM, yeah.
AM just and
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Yeah.
It will create the commit as well
Yeah.
using the Git AM.
Mm-hmm.
Also, it's better than apply.
Yeah. Just type git
Okay,
log now.
just a warning. Oh,
It's
everything is
very
there.
good, right?
Yeah, it's better than the apply. So
Yeah.
added it in my added in my. So let me see here. I think they are cutting the. Uh, let okay. I need to do okay. Yeah, got it was cutting the end, right? So now okay. Now it's time to push. Oh, or not yet.
Yeah, you can send the push command again. If you
And and I push not to upstream or to my
when
because
you do the git push, it will already do that. It will do to your oh where did
oh sorry
you are
sorry
on
sorry sorry
yeah you are on
sorry
different yeah take care.
yeah. Oh sorry. When I changed the size for the screen,
You
they
moved
I
to the wrong
maybe yeah I clicking
don't
the
worry.
other. So let's do everything again. Not everything, but some. I will close this one to avoid confusing. So let's see this the stats here.
Just Control L or clean. You move up.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. So I need to apply the
The path.
package again, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now I know how to use the AM. Oh no, I did it again. Sorry, sorry for that. Let me fix this again. So I'm still in the master, so I cannot apply the patch here. So git reset minus hard. Sorry for that, guys. And I will pass this one here, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And now I need to create the branch before git checkout minus b 14 STM32F401RC. Okay. Now I'm in my own branch, so I can apply my patch.
Mm-hmm.
Git am. Okay. Now I can see it here. It's in my branch, and now I can push.
Yeah.
Git removed. So I need to push it to git push
Yeah.
dash u. So I need to push to origin or upstream.
Origin and your
Okay.
branch name.
Okay. So I would type here porting STM32F401RC.
Yeah. But Rodrigo, before doing that, we need to check.
Okay.
We didn't check yet if
Okay.
uh, your commits are okay. Remember, we need to check first if there is no error in the
Uh, we don't want to break the build, so you mean we need to build here and to make sure it's okay? Is that
yeah because
or
the to be accepted inside NuttX, you need to create some, you need to create a patch that follows the coding style. For example, if you
Okay.
use slash slash instead of the slash asterisk comment, it will be not acceptable, not accepted because the the build system will fail.
And so just build, right? So let's make this clean. Not sure if he.
No,
So it's clean because I just built
yeah,
that,
yeah,
just cloned
you
that.
just use the command that I send you in the.
Okay, let me check here.
You just run the check path.
Oh, okay. So I don't need to build everything. Just need
No,
to.
no, just
Uh,
run check path. Actually, there are
okay.
two ways to do that. You can use g heads to dot head, or you can you can use check path dash f for each file that you modified. So you have two options.
Okay. So let me do the following. Just a second, please.
Uh,
Just need a temp.
just dot. Yeah,
Okay. So I'll paste this command here. Right? Is that right?
yeah,
And I run that. Uh,
yeah. That's
yeah.
the bug
Oh.
that you need to fix. But just that's good. Just three small errors, but and very simple
Ah,
error.
okay.
The
So let's
first
go
one,
there.
let's start with the first one. The boards are include .h line 24, two main blank lines. There is a rule that say you cannot have two empty lines.
Uh, Let me do the following. Maybe it will be fast for me. So can I use Visual Studio Code here?
Of course, just open it.
Okay. So it's in the boards. Uh,
Please increase the screen. We
okay. Yeah. Okay. And
this screen as
let's.
well. Yeah, maximize the screen. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Uh,
it's not in the platform because I was looking the coding
no, it's
platform,
in
but it's in
boards.
the board.
Yeah,
Yeah,
boards.
boards.
ARM.
Uh, STM32F4. Oh, STM32 first. And then we have our board here. And let me check the path here. Is the include board.8. Okay,
Yes.
include board.8 and line. So that's because of this extra space here, right?
Yeah. Just remove one line.
Extra line. Okay.
Yeah. Save.
So let me save. Okay.
Now we go back
Now,
to what's the next one? STM32
uh,
boot.c inside source
okay.
instead of include.
So
We insert.
source
Yeah.
boot.c 61. Okay.
STM32 boot.c. Yeah.
So is the line 61? Okay. What? Sorry. Error. Blank line precedes right. Okay. Don't need to add this line here, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. Last one. The two men. All is about blank lines, right? So,
Yeah.
uh, so it's in the bring up line
Bring up.
42. So bring up line 42. Okay, another extra line here. and I can save here and run this again.
Mm-hmm.
They are doing a error here. Do I need to install CMake format?
Yeah,
I can.
yeah.
So
This is for CMake as well because first it tests the the normal files and now it always check for CMake errors.
okay.
In the
So
past,
now I
we
have.
yeah. In the past, we didn't had it because we didn't use CMake. What what's the problem now?
So the CMake list txt.
Check fail.
Let's see what's in this board source. Okay, so in the board source, this one here, line 600. Oh, oh,
No,
no.
because CMake that is included one CMake with others, so maybe it's confusing.
Okay,
CMake format check failed. Oh, you can just use the. Oh, okay. You can use CMake format. This command and
okay.
uh, pass that CMake.
The first one.
Yeah,
So I'm
board.
inside the NuttX from boards until here.
Yeah, and you can copy it to, for example, slash temp slash cmake dot c because one is the source, other is the destination, so it will fix it automatically for you.
Okay, so let's put here fix it.
Could be as well.
Fix. Then later I can remove this file, but
Mm-hmm.
let's do that. Oh,
Yeah.
trackback. CMake line 8.
It's the opposite.
Oh,
See, there is an error in the comment. It's not first
oh,
is inverted.
okay.
Ch
So
change the order to fix it.
yeah, okay. So let's do that. Let me. Uh,
It was just moving the mouse. Yeah, we did the opposite,
sorry.
but okay.
So I need to. Okay. So yeah.
Yeah, the output and the original. Right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Let's try now. Yeah.
Let's see how.
Now you
What's the difference? And now I have a fixed here.
you are looking the other one is one below the other. Yeah, this one.
This one here, right?
Yeah. I didn't see too many different, but probably there is some. Uh, do you have the meld, the GIF files installed? Just
The didn't.
yeah, just close the.
Let's go here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's clear. To be a
Sudo
little nice to see.
apt install.
Should apt install.
No, space install
Oh yeah. Apt get install.
meld. MELD. Yeah, like
Okay.
similar word in Portuguese.
Okay. Yes, that's okay.
Mm-hmm. And now you can just use the meld. You can use the previous command. Move up the yeah.
And
Just remove the
change for
V.
melt.
Yeah, and the O and
Yeah.
type meld. Exactly. Very good.
Let's see
It
the
will compare
difference.
both files,
Okay.
and we will see the difference.
It's a space.
Oh, they make
There's there's a extra space here.
yeah. You like space too much.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So last week I was trying to follow you, but so sometimes I need to.
yeah,
That's
and
okay.
yeah, and I didn't know the CMake was um, so detailed about it as well. They care too much about it as well.
But see, I think we found another issue. See the name here in the board.
Oh yeah, it should be changed.
Yeah. So
Actually, I have an idea. Go inside
okay,
the board, the name of the board.
I can close this, right?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so board. Oops. Let me just see. So
Boards,
board and
ARM,
arm.
STM32.
Oops. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
I'm here.
exactly. And just use first. Okay, first type
Oh, sorry.
git grep
Which grab?
nucleo.
Okay. Let's see how many. Oh, so that's
Only
one.
that one.
One.
Yeah,
Yeah.
enter file
So
source.
okay.
Okay, now move this
I,
CMake fixed to the old
okay.
CMake. Move one to
Okay.
other. Fix
Okay.
to CMake
Okay.
list.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I have just one, and now I can change this one.
Mm-hmm. Just change the nucleo to the board name.
Okay. So here I need to fix that. So you cover board. Is there something else in the end?
No, it's only that.
Okay. Is that it right? So STM. Okay. Save here. Okay. And I can just amend these changes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There's a couple of them. So
CD space dash to return to. Oh no, it's a return to only one directory. You can move dot dot
uh,
backslash dot dot.
uh,
Yeah, I think five or
that's okay.
okay.
I'm here now. So git status. And I can do a git add. I can add everything, right? There's no.
No, you don't need to add. They are only modified. You can git commit dash a
Okay.
to commit all.
They,
Yeah,
oh,
and you just type
I'm glad.
fix. You don't need to put a name because we'll merge it with the previous commit.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Now there is another special. Yeah, there is another special git command that we use to merge two commits in a single one to do some squash. You
How
use
do
git.
uh, usually I do git rebase,
Yeah, git
but how do you
rebase
do that?
it interactive.
Okay.
Git rebase dash e
Head.
head two.
eh,
Use the
Okay.
same, right?
Yeah, I use the same one.
Yeah.
So now I need to change here for slash, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that will make the magic for us.
Yeah.
I
Just
can remove
remove
this
this
one.
one. Fix it, and
Okay.
the comment lines. I think it removes automatically.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
uh, let
Your commit
let,
is perfect now.
let me see. So yeah, they removed the other things, right? So
Yeah.
keep just the.
It's perfect. You don't need to modify
Okay.
anything. Now you can push.
So now it's time to get git push uh, origin and
Porting.
port. Uh, okay.
Yes.
Can I go for it?
Yeah.
Your cross your things, right?
Yeah. And believe in
Let's
the
see.
technology. It
Okay.
works.
Okay, let's put the username, the right one here, and now my password. Okay.
You still have authentication issues. Oh my gosh.
Oh, but let me check some.
I think it's because it is using the HTTPS in this case again. You can use that command that I said that you change.
Let me see here. In this case, so let me. Okay, just a second. I will do the following here, just to make sure I'm okay for this command. So
Yeah,
that
you just set the origin and the others. Yeah, yeah, you can do this.
so so just one question. The Apache here should I change for
Yeah, your
my
username.
yeah this one, right?
Yeah, just type the remotes just to confirm. Yeah, you already did it. Yeah,
Yeah. So
you just change.
so
You see the change origin. If you want, you can also change the upstream, but upstream is not needed in this case. Yeah,
no so
just put the comment. Yeah, the previous one.
okay. Okay, so just put this command, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you type again.
The, okay. Now they use my keys, right? So let's try to push.
Yeah. Now it should work. Yeah, it works.
Oh.
Yeah. Now open the browser. Let's see
Yeah.
where is the browser and go to.
Okay. Let me bring it for here. So maximize so you guys can see better.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, a little zoom is okay. So should I need the
Yeah.
so need to
Remove the signet
okay
from this part. Yeah. And copy this message to the summary. Yeah. Where your cursor are now. Just remove
oh,
the text in the top and put it there.
okay, I see. So this sorry. So this here will be our summary, right?
And you put there.
And let him move the extra line. So extra line is not good. I learned that today.
Yeah.
So
What is the impact? Why impact could be something good or something bad. I think it's good because now people could use this board without modifying all the files by hand. So you said users
okay,
will be able to use this board and so on.
okay.
Yeah.
So user you'll be able to use or play or use this new board. What else you can put as a good impact here?
Yeah, and in testing, you just put the name of the board that you tested. So sometimes people like, for example, to put some terminal showing it's worked, and it is nice sometimes because you see exactly how the people tested it.
That,
Yeah, but in our case, we
I
don't.
can you can put like build basic shell application and run the path for run is sorry, it's that
RAN.
yeah, okay, on
Yeah.
or so it's what I did last week, right? So we build and then we run.
Yeah,
Okay.
now you put on PS and say, I will send the documentation later because I need to format
Okay.
it. Or I will
Documentation
yeah.
will be sent in a different commit as we need to format.
Yeah.
Something like that. Is that okay, or anything I can improve here?
Yeah, that's perfect. Now we can.
Let's heard the voice of George. Hey, George.
Hey, I'm here.
so any suggestion here?
No, I think it's okay. The text is correct. The testing, building basic shell application and run on is run on or run.
So I think that the path for run.
Okay.
The path of run.
So because I think like it's the test we did, right? Not the test you. Yeah. So not sure if
Okay.
you should change that.
Okay. Are you making a pull request right there?
Yeah.
He has,
So
he's
just
going to read the button.
okay. Is that okay? I will do that now.
Yeah. And let's see if I can see it now.
No conflict. Is that a good thing?
Yeah. And now it should start to do the initial validation. So it will run the CI, and
Okay.
inside the CI,
Is
we'll
there any way I can follow this?
yeah, you can, for example, if you move down,
Okay.
just update, yeah,
Ah.
see some checks,
Okay.
and it is checking, for example, you see it's running like a spinning wheel.
Yeah. So there's the link.
Yeah,
So
it
the documentation
yeah,
you
it will
fail.
check everything. So if it fails for some code style, and if it fails for some compilation error or something else, it will not pass in the CI test. And
Okay.
see, there is a good progress. 3 already passed. You see, if you move down, you see
Okay.
there is a check. Yeah, yeah.
This
Actually,
one here.
only one yet because it didn't start
Yeah.
the remaining. But it already passed in 3 checks.
Okay.
Let's see. And after that, people will review, and you say, okay, you need to move this or that. And after that, if everything is correct, um, someone will merge it into Mainline. So uh, it means your board now is included on NuttX, and if, for example, I or Lucas or anyone else want to test it, they don't need to do all this process again. Yeah. So
You just run. Okay.
go ahead.
I didn't get your last statement. So if you need to test that, you mean you can do that in
Yeah. Now
some.
yeah, now I just need to update my Git. Now I mean
Oh, okay, yeah.
after it get merged.
I got it. Yeah,
Yeah,
sorry.
I just need to update here. I just need to synchronize my repository with the master, with the NuttX mainline, and I will get the board set up.
I see.
Yeah.
So it may take some time. So now we are going
Yeah,
to
I
go to
think
the
for
next.
today, I think today
No.
we can leave early because uh,
Okay.
in the afternoon we'll
Hmm.
port another board that George and um, his boss sent me, Wilter sent me, and um,
So,
hmm?
nice, nice. So which board is that? So,
It's a very powerful board. George, can you show it?
oh, nice.
Yeah,
So I'll stop to share my screen, right?
right.
And we can
Yeah,
have some conversation.
yeah. So let
Okay.
me, George, if you can share your screen or your camera to show the board that will port today in the afternoon. Yeah, that board is the Luno. Is now not George. If you want talk a little bit about this board, what this board has.
Lemon. Okay, let me.
Yeah. Um,
I think George is mute because I can
yeah.
not
We
hear.
cannot listen your voice, George. Are you speaking? Yeah. Maybe because he.
Hello, hello. Are you
Yeah,
listening now?
Yeah. Now it's
yeah.
okay.
Okay, I changed the camera of local and they
Yeah.
changed the audio.
He's muted.
This is a new board that we developed with Wilter, with his company. Is a Linux board. They have a STM32F401RC. It's one of the most powerful microcontrollers of ACT actually, and they have a lot of different peripherals here, and we will talk about it with Alan afternoon. And they have, for example, they have a Ethernet, SD card. They have other thing here to use a USB, and you can use this USB like CDC or other kind of things that the library can disponibilize.
Mm-hmm.
And they have here they have two cams, two RS485 and two RS232.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
For serial.
and they have a yes, they of serial, and they have one serial here for debugging, ATC. Uh, Below him, they have a SRAM for bufferize a screen. I can show below him because they have up there. I can show the screen because the screen is off. This is a display of the they can with the device. They actually we support three different sizes: the 7, 10.10, 10.1 and 11 como fala polegadas, how I translate polegadas lá?
Inches.
It's these different sizes. And
Nice.
with this board, we can make applications with AHM. This board is not to use it like a develop kit, but it's for the product final for the client. And we send one of them these boards for Alan, and you port the NuttX for this port. And we, in the future, Alan, we will develop some application using LVGL with his board.
Yeah.
Very nice. And you are going to broadcast this porting as well?
Yeah, today
Oh,
afternoon, you and
okay.
Alison are invited to participate
Okay.
if you want, if you have time this afternoon. We will start 2 p.m.
Okay.
So,
And just one curiosity. So, George said this microcontroller is based on STM32F401RC. So, is this platform supported by NuttX already?
yes, actually,
Oh,
I yeah, I developed a project for a company in United States some years ago. A company here in Brazil contact me, and we develop how to say we developed a platform
Application with LVGL, right?
using LVGL.
oh, nice.
Yeah, and it's for the car dealer plate control, because in United States, when you go to the car dealer to rent a car, uh,
Hmm.
they need to put a different plate in the back of the car to replace the car, to replace the plate. And sometimes the customer lose that plate, or sometimes even uh, the guy that was renting the car to the customer, to the client, lost the plate. And to avoid it, we create a plate control solution. And that solution used this microcontroller with the big LCD running
Hmm.
LVGL. Also, it had um, fingerprint reader integrated. Also, CAN bus to, because the the uh, the interface machine, the 8 I8M, is a separate box, and you have a bigger box to control the plates. And it uses CAN bus because we can have up to 4 big boxes controlling solenoids. Uh,
Whoa.
yeah, and each box can control 5 plates. So normally the sailor, the guy that is renting the car to one client, put his finger in the control box interface, the the user interface control box, and it authenticates, and it's using communication with the server, with remote server, to verify if this user is allowed to remove this plate or not. And then all this information is saved remotely in the server. And they, for example, if someone lose a plate, the, the the company owner can know if uh, if if someone lose the plate and who lose the plate. It's very nice implementation.
Yeah, good, good.
Yeah.
And so, uh, George has a big board with a lot of resources there, and I'm going to try to port by myself this little board here. Not sure if you guys can see in the screen.
You're
In
sharing
the
your
in my,
okay.
Let me.
I can share my screen as well. I have the page here.
We can see it.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
a nice board. Very low cost and
yeah, like $5, and I'll try to port myself with this little one. Let's see.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
this is a nice
Okay.
nice challenge.
Is ISP32 this board?
Sit
This
S3
one,
S3 or
this
Citrix,
one.
sorry.
No, no. In fact, this one here has the RP2040 from Raspberry guys.
Oh,
Ah, nice.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can send the link to you guys to show, so you can. So it's a very basic port. There is no. I think there's just two switches and one one LED. So
Hmm.
They use a Wi-Fi too or not?
I don't think so. No, this is a little.
Yeah, it's like the
Uh,
Mm.
Raspberry Pi Pico is the same
yeah,
microcontroller.
yeah, that's right.
Okay, because the Raspberry Pi have one version that use a Wi-Fi now.
To be honest, let me check for this one. I'm not sure now, as you said.
I think they is not use a Wi-Fi.
No, no. I think it's a very basic board, so
Mm-hmm.
no Wi-Fi here. Yeah,
Okay.
nice.
Yeah, I think it's a nice board to do the port. And this platform, this RP24, is very well supported on NuttX as well. Um, Actually, there is some uh, very cool drivers. For example, there is a PIO driver to control RGB LEDs, the WS2812. So I think
Yeah,
you have a lot of fun with this board.
nice. So another another thing that we ported the boards for some microcontrollers that's already supported by the platform, right? And I know that maybe adding a new board or a new microcontroller will be a totally different story. You may take more time, right? And even adding another platform, another let's say another not the microcontroller, but another architecture will be another story as well. So
Yeah, th- that is that's correct. And I already did just not a new platform, but a new family. I ported some years ago the Kinetics, and later I did a port for the LPC 11 or 14. I cannot remember exactly, but we decided to remove this last one because this LPC 11 or I think it was 11. You don't have enough RAM and enough flash. I think it was limited to 16 kilobytes of of flash. So um, because NuttX evolved a little bit and it's not so small as it was 6 or 7 years ago. It was decided to remove it because this platform become very difficult to support them.
Hmm.
It's a little bit sad because I like to see small microcontroller supported as well. It's still possible to do that, but we need to remove many NuttX features.
I see. Okay.
Yeah, I think we are done for today,
Okay.
and yeah, I'm a little bit sad because uh, we, we we could have more time today, but it's not fair to Paul and all the other guys. So we have to wait. George, I think
Your dog is
yeah, is barking a little
that's
bit.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
No problem.
No problem.
I think we can stop for today, and next week let's see if um, Lucas and Luke will be available. I hope they will.
So so
Mhm.
so next week will be the Embarcados experience. So
Yeah, I think
it's
next week will
in
be
São
more
Paulo.
difficult.
Yeah.
But
I I
you are
I'll be
going?
there. So,
No,
yeah.
this
So
this time I will not participate because I didn't submit
any
any
talk?
proposals, and also
Uh,
I was I was a little bit um, uh, tired of my work in the previous workshop, so I need a little bit rest.
yeah.
But
So next week I can join at 9, but maybe I can leave early because I need to go to São Paulo. So, but you can arrange the details
oh
in
yeah,
offline.
right. Yeah, I don't know. We need to discuss it because I think George as well will be there, and
Yes, I go to the event too.
yeah, so uh, maybe we can skip for the next week, and also we need to verify because after that week, in the week um, of the uh, 3 or 4 of November, I will be traveling, so I will be not join. But yeah, I think it should be nice to wait a little bit as well because we need to organize and prepare. For example, today that we didn't say much about, we didn't advertise about the event. Only 4 or 5 people was watching in the YouTube compared to previous event. There was way more people.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with the idea of the create WhatsApp group or Telegram group to align with the guys. Okay,
Okay. Perfect.
thank you,
Hmm.
thank
See you
you,
guys.
thank you, Rodrigo, thank you, George, thank you, Alison, for help us uh, to the YouTube chat and help to fix the microphone and other issues. So, guys, see you
Thank you, Alan. See you.
maybe in two
Have
or
a great.
three weeks. Bye bye.
Bye
Okay,
bye.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye bye.